Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make thumbnails like Tiko. If you guys don't know who Tiko is, he's an amazing content creator and player, and his links will be at the top of the description, so go check him out. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. First, you're going to want to create a new project and make sure the resolution is on 1080 by 720p. Next, what you want to do is open up a pack, or you could look up some PNGs and download some pictures that you want to put in your thumbnail. But if you do want the packs, I'll have the links in the description so you can purchase them. So now all you really want to do is just drop your pictures into Photoshop and follow along with what I do. So right here, I'm adding in the starburst to give the character more pop. You can easily find these on Google, so you could just look them up or you can buy the pack. Now I'm adding the black bars. All you need to do for this is go on the rectangle tool on the left and hold left click to make your black bars. Next, what you want to do is just look up the Vivo logo. All you have to do is just go on Google, look up Vivo PNG, and then you'll eventually find it. Make sure the text is in white, because if not, you will not be able to see it because of the black bars. And then all you want to do is make it fit with the black bars, and then you're done with the logo. Next, you want to add some glow to the character. To do so, right click the character's PNG and go to the blending options. Then go to outer glow and mess around with the settings to make it look nice. Now all you want to do is add a color correction, and then you're basically done with the thumbnail. And there you have a Fortnite thumbnail.